Good morning students, standard 7th, subject maths, chapter number 8, algebraic expressions and operation on them. First we learn only about the algebraic expressions, and to explain that concept there is one table is given in your book also. Then we see the first column shows arrangements of sticks. The fire box is present in your house and there are some sticks. With the help of sticks, we can do these activities. First we take 4 sticks and arrange them as a square. Then with the help of these 5 sticks, we arrange that like 2 squares, 3 squares and 4 squares. When we do this arrangement, then you see the number of squares in first is 1. See here, the number of squares are 2. The number of squares are 3. Number of squares are 4. We write the number of squares which seen in a picture. Then, if you do that activity, you can write the number of sticks. When the number of squares are 1, the number of sticks are used for it are 4. When we arrange the sticks as 2 squares, the 7 sticks are necessary for this. You can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 because of the one stick is common. When the number of squares are 3, then how many sticks are required? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 because there are 2 sticks are common in that arrangement. There are 3 sticks are common for that arrangement. Then how many sticks are required for 4 angles, 4 squares? That are the 30. You can count it. We write the number of sticks necessary for make these pictures. Then the number 4. We write the number 4 is this manner. 3 plus 1. The value of 4 remains constant, but only the writing method is changed. We write it in another method. The number 4 is write as like 3 plus 1. The number of 7 we write like 6 plus 1. 10, 9 plus 1. 13, 12 plus 1. Then this question is 1. Why we write it 3 plus 1, 6 plus 1. The number 4 we can write as like 2 plus 2 also, 7, 4 plus 3 also. Then why we write like this? Then observe neatly here. We write 4, 3 plus 1, 7, 6 plus 1, 10, 9 plus 1, 13, 12 plus 1. The additional number remains constant, 1. And this first number 3, 6, 9, 12, these are the multiple of 3. Means there is some correlation between these. If we don't know about the number of squares, then if we image the number of squares are n, the number of squares are n, then here we got one correlation between them. Then that number we can write like this: 3 into 1 plus 1. 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 6 plus 1, 3 into 2 plus 1. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Means the value is not changed. Only the writing form is changes here. Then 9. 3 into 3 plus 1. 3 into 4 plus 1. Only the writing form is changed. The number of sticks remains constant. Then what is the relation between that column and number of squares? See here. Here 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. Means 3 into number of squares. Observe again. 3 into number of squares plus 1. Then, if we don't know the number of squares, then we write the number of squares are n. Then we got the formula 3 into number of squares. How many? N plus 1. Where we don't know about the number of square, we write the number of square with the help of algebraic letter or alphabets letter, and we write it like 3 into n is equal to 3n plus 1, and all these numbers maintain that formula. This is called as the algebraic expression, where the unknown number is denoted by a letter. We see another example. These are the balls. How many balls? We can say 3 balls. Or another example. Three trees. If we show the trees with the help of T, then we write it T, T, T means tree, and that is the tree. 1 tree plus 1 tree plus 1 tree is equal to 3. Suppose the balls are denoted by X and the bats are denoted by Y. Then how many balls? There are 2 balls. The balls are denoted by X. And how many bats? 3 bats. The bats are denoted by letter Y. Then that summation is right like that. 2x plus 3y. 3t or 2x plus 3y, these are called as the algebraic expression. We see some more information about algebraic expression. For example, 5x square. Here, 5 is called as coefficient. Then the letter x is used here, that is called as variable, and 2 is called as power of that variable. For practice, we write some examples. Their coefficient, variable, and power. See these examples. The first example is 7x10. Which is the coefficient? The number is called as the coefficient. Then which number is written? Multiple number of variable. That number is called as coefficient. Then 7 is the coefficient. Which is the variable? Variable. Which letter is used here? X. Therefore, x is variable. And the power of x is 2. Here, the coefficient is -3. The variable is x. The power is not written here, means that is 1. 2x3, the coefficient is 2. Variable is y and power is 3. -10 m raised to 4. -10 is the coefficient, m is the variable, and 4 is the power of that variable. Y square, the coefficient is not written, then it is 1. Therefore, the coefficient is